Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of intermittent fasting, a popular approach to weight loss that's gaining traction in the health and fitness community. We'll debunk some common myths and explore the benefits of intermittent fasting for weight loss. If you're new here, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. Now, let's get started. Intermittent fasting, or IF, is an eating pattern that cycles between periods of fasting and eating. It's not about what you eat, but when you eat. There are several methods, such as the 16/8 method, 5-2 method, and the eat-stop-eat approach. Intermittent fasting has gained popularity because it can lead to weight loss, improve metabolic health, and even extend your lifespan. Let's dive deeper and explore the science behind IF. There are many misconceptions about intermittent fasting, so let's debunk some common myths. Myth: intermittent fasting will slow down your metabolism. Fact: short-term fasting can actually increase your metabolic rate, helping you burn more calories. Myth: you lose muscle mass during intermittent fasting. Fact: IF, when combined with resistance training, can help maintain or even increase muscle mass while losing fat. Myth: you can eat whatever you want during your eating window. Fact: while IF can lead to weight loss, it's still essential to maintain a balanced diet and avoid overeating during your eating window. Now that we've cleared up some misconceptions, let's look at the benefits of intermittent fasting for weight loss. Hormonal changes. It helps regulate hormones, such as insulin and growth hormone, which play a crucial role in fat loss and muscle gain. Caloric deficit. By restricting your eating window, you're likely to consume fewer calories, leading to weight loss. Improved metabolic health. Intermittent fasting can improve insulin sensitivity, lower inflammation, and reduce oxidative stress, which all contribute to a healthier metabolism and weight loss. Increased fat burning. During fasting periods, your body shifts from burning glucose to burning stored fat for energy, promoting weight loss. Before we wrap up, here are some tips for successfully incorporating intermittent fasting into your lifestyle. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water during fasting periods to prevent dehydration. Ease into it. Start with shorter fasting periods and gradually increase them as your body adapts. Prioritize sleep. Make sure to get adequate sleep to support your body during the fasting process. Combine with exercise. Pair IF with regular physical activity to optimize weight loss and muscle maintenance. Listen to your body. If you experience negative side effects or it doesn't feel right for you, consider adjusting your fasting method or consulting a healthcare professionals. And that's a wrap on intermittent fasting, debunking myths, and discovering its benefits for weight loss. Remember, it's essential to find an approach that works best for your lifestyle and goals. If you have any questions or experiences to share, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.